An update tonight on a local couple's legal fight against Allegheny County. It's over the so-called newcomer tax that doubled the couple's property tax bill. And they're not alone. That's why they're leading the charge to change the way the county assesses and taxes properties. Megan Schiller joins us to explain the latest development. Megan.
Ken, the couple is calling it a win. It's a fight over what you call the newcomer tax, and one Wilkinsburg couple says its taxes doubled. That's why the couple filed a lawsuit against the county, and the judge just decided it's time to take a good hard look at all of this. We first introduced you to this Wilkinsburg couple on Tuesday, on the eve of their big legal fight.
We're like all for, if our taxes increased maybe $1,000, sure, we could handle that. We would be happy to pay that to make the schools better. But $5,000, it's untenable. It really is.
The couple saw their taxes double from $3,500 to more than $9,000. It's called the newcomer tax, and it's why the couple filed suit against Allegheny County. The result Wednesday afternoon, a court agreement that could bring tax relief to thousands of homeowners in Allegheny County.
We're going into a second phase, and the second phase is essentially a recount. And you're going to have the county assessors and the consultants for the plaintiffs working together to conduct the recount. It should take about 30 days.
Mike Sully explains in 30 days' time, we'll know the new tax rate and move on from there.
It's a win because the county blinked. They looked at all of our evidence, and they didn't want to be in open court hearing the evidence. The county knows what we know, that they made some serious mistakes and that people have been overcharged on their taxes, newcomers, for the last 6 years.
Sully believes the county's inflating its assessment numbers, and a change will save regular people thousands.
A sale price of $100,000. Under the present system, your new assessment on appeal would be $81,100. Done deal. If we are correct, if the plaintiffs are correct, and I'm correct, it should be in the low 60s. I'll say 63, 64%. And if I'm right, if that happens, that will trigger the school districts withdrawing thousands of their appeals. I predict it will happen.
So Sully says it could go back 6 years. It would be up to the county to open a window for that appeals period. He says he thinks and hopes that they will do that. And that will give all newcomers over the last 6 years the ability to go in there with that new ratio and see if they can lower their tax bills. So he calls that a potential win for the taxpayers. In the studio, I'm Megan Schiller.